Back that truck up. Back that truck up. Back that truck up. Camera runs out of batteries. It's awesome. This is the awesomest thing ever. You know what I'm saying? Just great. So I was told that I can't use this. Actually, did I just... I'll have to film that. Okay. You're not too far and I'm not too close. We didn't need to be that close. Okay. You know what time it is. I'm for the Beyonce fan. Wait a minute. I'm really confused. Let me do that again because I don't know what the hell I just did. I'm having a menopause moment. Almost put my Charlotte Tilbury magic. Almost magically disappeared. Great. Please leave your comments into the below. Why am I... You always have to check before you film. You never know if you got a booger hanging out of your nose. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? It happens. Oh, don't you get sassy with me. Don't you get sassy with me, okay? Focus. All right. Okay. Get the boldest lashes off your life with our freaky brush. Yeah! You know what this reminds me of? Romper Room. Do you remember Romper Room? Oh, I see Mary and Cindy and Bobby and Kathy. I always wanted her to call my name, but she never did. Oh yeah, do it now. Do it now while I'm filming. It's okay. Get the ice. Get all the ice. Make a lot of noise. Yeah, that's how we like it here. It's not for a cocktail, it's water. That's the problem I have with it. Beer minerals. I said that word. I sound like I was drinking beer minerals. I am not... I don't know what I was going to say. Let me just do that again. Do that again. Who's making that noise outside? What I think... Really, just get the trash cans in, okay? Just roll them in. Roll them in. Okay, we're gonna do that again. I can't do that again. I swear to... Can you just frickin' put the trash cans back? What are we doing? What are you doing? My God, it's a trash can. I feel like I'm having a menopause moment right now. Okay. Why is it when something falls, I can't just stop? They have opportunities of sponsorships. I can't, like I've been drinking. What's my last topic? Either on Instagram, you know, because some people just do Instagram. They want the golf course, the golf cart. Okay. I hate those things. Okay. We have golf carts, and I don't live in a golf cart community. I just like driving around the neighborhood. I don't get it. Oh, it's locked down. It's been a long one. You know what I mean? Otherwise, no. Otherwise, no. Otherwise, why do I keep saying otherwise? I swear to God. Really like that. Every time I move, my stomach growls. That was my stomach. I didn't fart. Okay. I go like that. I don't look collapsed. When I hold my brow up one like higher. Oh, my neighbor, I wish he'd shut up. Big mouth. Big mouth. Big mouth. Yeah, keep tooting your horn. Because that's what you do. Toot your horn. Want everybody to hear your conversation. Is that what it is? Huh? Is that what it is? Oh, Lord. Is this not gonna... Do I need a new sharpener? What the hell? Oh, wait. Is this the one you're not supposed to sharpen that I fucked up? I did this. I swear to God, I've done this before. Yeah. I just ruined my pencil. You just saw that. Okay, well, we're just gonna throw that out. This is the NARS when you're not supposed to do what I just did. I forgot. You're supposed to twist it up. But when you don't have your readers on, honey, you're blind. So you just saw that happen. It's awesome. I must have blindly bumped a button again. And so now I don't know what the time is on here, so that's awesome. Drink. I need more than water today. Big chunk of my video is missing. So nice. And I'd like to eat some lunch someday too. I will. I'm actually filming this today on a Monday because it didn't turn out. I'm reshooting it. Number 2. This is number 2 times. Okay. This is for my camera. Okay. Let me get it together. Let's wait. This way. I can be annoying too. Okay, am I in focus? Okay. What was the question again? I don't remember where I was going with that, so we're just gonna drop it. What was my point? Really quickly, I'm just gonna show you the guys. I'm gonna show you the guys. Where's my mind? Really quickly, if you're new here, I don't know what that was. I heard a noise. Today's video, I am going to be did I say just do? I'm going to do doing. Can I do it again? Okay, let's just get up. Let's just do that again. I melted. I'm going to slap myself. Let's reverse that. I just heard it. The yard guy is here, so I'm going to try to ignore it while I'm filming, but you know, he just drives me nuts. Here we go. It's going to be loud for a while. Hopefully things get better. You don't have the time in your day to hear about all the shit that's happened to us this year. I don't even share all of it with you, but it's been a blast. It's been great. Thank God for wine. So I'm sitting in here doing a drink. I swear I haven't had anything to drink. Oh, now I'm having a hot flash. Okay, well, we're just gonna leave it like that. Okay. You don't know what's going on, girl. But I just had one speaker on, and I almost recorded with one speaker, which would have been terrible for you because you would have thought you were losing your hearing, which would be really annoying if you're going through menopause because we all think we're nuts anyways, right? Okay. Are you recording right now, or are we not? Oh, no sound. Better. And there's no THC in it, so you're not going to be, hallucinating or whatever.